Hello, everybody. Let's solve this equation that says log to the base 2 of 2x plus 7 in parentheses equals 3. All right, so to start off, we can convert this log equation to an exponential equation. So here, the given base is 2, so we'll write the 2 here, and then we'll go to the other side and write the number that's by itself, which is a 3, and then that 3 is actually an exponent. So a log is just an exponent. That's all it is. And so we have base 2, and then this number 3, or whatever the number is, in this case, the 3, equals, and then whatever we're trying to find the log of in parentheses. So in this case, 2x plus 7. All right, so we have 2 to the 3 equals 2x plus 7. Now let's try to get the x by itself. 2 to the 3 is 8 equals 2x plus 7. Now we'll subtract 7 from both sides. 8 minus 7 is 1 equals 2x. 7's go away. Now to get x by itself, all we have to do is divide both sides by 2. All right, in doing so, we have x is equal to 0.5. All right, now we have to be careful whenever we solve a log equation because the answer that we get, even though we did the work correctly, the answer that we get may not check out. And that's because we cannot take the log of a negative number. All right, so let's ensure that we do not get that situation. So let's check this in the original equation. All right, the original equation was log to the base 2 of parentheses 2x plus 7 equals 3. All right, now we'll put the x in. That'll be 2 times, and 0.5 is the same as a half. So I'll just put the 1/2 in like that because we can invoke a little trick there. And the trick is we can just cancel the 2's out. So canceling the 2's out, we just have 1 left over plus 7 equals 3. And we got log to the base 2 of 1 plus 7, which is 8, equals 3. Okay, now there's actually a neat log calculator online. So let's go to that log calculator. It's at calculator.net. Okay, and then there are all kinds of online calculators that are listed here at the bottom here. We got financial calculators, fitness and health calculators, math calculators, and other calculators. So we want a calculator that does logarithms. So let's type in log, and here up comes the log calculator. All right, so let's see what we have to put in here. So log to the base 2 of 8. So we'll put 8 right here at the top. And we want the base to be 2. And then calculate. And it tells us right away the answer is 3. Okay, and it even tells us the reason why it is. So log to the base 2 of 8 is 3. And that's because if you convert this to an exponential equation, or back to the base being 2, and then the answer there is the exponent, so 2 to the 3 is equal to, and then we go back and pick up the expression that we're taking the log of, which is 8, and it is true that 2 to the 3 is 8. Okay, so it looks like it does indeed give us the correct answer at 3. All right, so log to the base 2 of 8 is 3. And we get 3 equals 3, so it certainly does check out. All right. Okay, another way to check this is to perhaps by graphing. Okay, looks like it's the answer, but let's get a double check here by doing a graph. Okay, here's the Desmos graphing calculator. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to put in the left-hand side and also the right-hand side. So the left-hand side, we'll put in the equation y equals. So the left-hand side is log to the base 2 of 2x plus 7, but I'm going to put it in as log of 2x plus 7. divided by the log of 2. All right, so there's a nice rule that allows us to convert a base of any number base to the base of 10. So here we have a log of base 2, log to the base 2 of 2x plus 7, and we'll put in log of 2x plus 7 over the log of the base, which is 2. All right, and that makes this nice little curve right there. All right, now we'll put in y equals the other side, which is just simply 3. And wherever they intersect, that's the answer. All right, and let's see where they intersect at. They intersect at 0.5 comma 3. And notice that the x coordinate is 0.5, which is the answer. So whatever the x coordinate of the intersection point is of the two graphs, one graph being from the left-hand side and one graph being from the right-hand side, if you have that, then it checks out. Okay, so it does indeed check out. So we can definitely say 1/2 or 0.5 is the answer. And so let's go back and confirm that. And we've already did actually checks. And so that's how to solve a log equation.